Why does your scanner show the P2279 engine code? What does it mean? P2279 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake air system leak at Bank 1. This engine code indicates that the ECM has detected a vacuum leak in the intake air system, allowing unmetered air to enter the engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Vacuum hose leaks, PCV valve issues, intake manifold gasket leaks, MAF sensor leaks, air duct leaks, throttle body leaks, IAT sensor issues, loose connections. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle equipped with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Toyota, Honda, Chevrolet, BMW, and many others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.